You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're going behind the scenes to show you exactly how SDC International Shipping moves your world to Costa Rica. Every journey begins with a simple consultation and survey. From there, we plan your move through one of Costa Rica's two main ports. First, on the Caribbean side, this is the country's busiest port, handling most household shipments. Or on the Pacific side, which is ideal for West Coast shipments or households bound for Central and Western Costa Rica. From these ports, our teams arrange seamless inland transport to your final destination, whether that's the capital San Jose, or lush central valleys, or even remote coastal towns, beloved by surfers and retirees alike. Your belongings are handled through one continuous system: export packing in the U.S., ocean freight to port, custom processing, and delivery at your door, all managed by your dedicated SDC relocation coordinator. And if you need faster service, we also offer air freight options for smaller or urgent shipments, which is perfect for essentials you want waiting when you arrive. Whether by sea or air, our logistics network ensures one thing: peace of mind, delivered with every box. Let's chart your route to Costa Rica. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.